What's up, everybody? It's Nate with Sonic Electronics. A little bit different position here. I'm inside the Tacoma. What year of a Tacoma is this, Jason?
2022.
And it's a 2022 Tacoma. There's tons of them everywhere. You know where there's a lot of them? Where my brother and sister live out in Hawaii. Tons of Tacomas out in Hawaii. I don't know what it is, but they're a great truck, super reliable. They lack some bass, and these boys at Metra got it figured out. Jason is in R&D. What's your specific title, Jason, again?
I'm the Vice President of Research and Development for Metra Electronix.
What a better guy to talk to us about developing cool products than the head of product development over at Metra. Jason's got these really cool full audio system kits. We're going to show you 3 of them today. We're starting out here with the Tacoma. Man, Jason, I'm just in awe on how much gear is in this car. Can you walk us through piece by piece what you guys did, what's in here, what's the customer going to get, and we'll talk install as well.
Yeah, so, Metra's always done accessories. We've all been really good at accessories, speaker adapters, amplifier wiring kits, fuse holders, you name it, right? And we thought, what a better way to come up with kind of a new niche in the market than to partner with a company like Vibe, who we've had history with in the past, to make plug-and-play audio kits. So this kit comes with everything you need in the box, including the Enclosure. The Enclosure was designed and tuned by Metra Electronix. All of our amp boards are cut at our facility in Florida. And the best thing, and really what kind of sets it apart from everything else, is the DSP is pre-tuned in all of these kits.
That's awesome.
So you're gonna have a sound quality product out of the box after your install is done without any setup.
And so when you think about the components in this, we see these 2 amps here, and we see the subwoofer. What else is the customer going to get with this solution for the Tacoma?
Great question. So not only what you see here, but you're going to get door speakers for the front and rear. You're going to get tweeters, 2.7-inch speakers for the front dash, and you're going to get the DSP all included with all the harnessing. So literally from the factory, you unplug the harness from the radio, you plug RT harnesses in, and you run the wires back, you connect them up to the amp, and you're done.
And then that's awesome. What years does this work with for the Tacoma?
So for the Tacoma, it's 2016 all the way up to 2023, non-amplified.
Okay.
And for amplified, it goes from 2016 to 2020.
Oh, that's awesome. So when he says amplified, we're talking that JBL factory system,
That's correct,
right?
yes, factory amplified.
Just kind of keep that in mind when you're on our website. You should be able to see that when you use our vehicle fit guide. You choose your year, make, and model, and then you'll go ahead and drill down with a body trim and audio. And once you get to that audio drill down, you'll see if it works with your specific Tacoma. But man, I'm really excited about these. And then I guess one other thing, and I'm not a Tacoma driver, but as far as this, the body cab in a Tacoma, off the top of my head, I think it's only 2 cab options, right? On
there
Tacoma.
is.
So this will work with all the extended cabs?
So this one is called a double cab. So this one is designed specifically for the double cab.
Yes.
Yep.
And the other thing to note is the DSP, we don't see it here, right? It's up, is it up behind?
Yeah, for this particular install, it's behind the radio.
Got it, okay.
And then that's why we're providing all the RCAs, T-Spec RCAs, to run it from the amp location all the way up to where the DSP is located.
That's awesome. When you think about a DIY level 1 through 10, 10 being the most difficult, 1 being kind of that novice that barely has enough tools to get by, I look at myself, I'm maybe a 2 or 3. I need videos to go the whole way. I need to be able to follow along. If I'm a 2 or 3 on the DIY scale, how long should this install take me?
So the install for somebody at that level, I would say plan for 6 hours.
Awesome.
And so, don't be surprised if it goes a little bit over because you don't have experience in it, right? But we have online instructions that will take you step by step on how to disassemble the car, what you need to do to install it, and where all the path of the wiring.
That's awesome. On the amp rack, if you will, this amount that you have here, it's made of wood, it looks like, right?
Yep.
So is that using factory bolts to bolt in?
It is. So this back panel used to be an entire plastic panel, and that's from the factory. Because it was limited on space, we had to remove it all. That gave us the ability to use some existing mounting locations.
Awesome.
And because our amp racks are all CNC'd at our facility,
perfect.
It was just easy to laminate it.
That's
and
awesome.
Make it fit specifically into that location.
Yeah, and it's really clean. Just another small question is that I see this install. I've seen the craziest DIY installs in terms of complexity and amazement. I've also seen the sloppiest one over the 25 years I've been in car audio. When you look at this right here and this tight install. It's very clean. Does an end user get guides? And if they don't, it's okay, but I'm just asking so they know what to buy or what we can include for them. But are they getting zip ties? Are they getting everything they need to do that? Or is that kind of something that the person that installed this decided to do?
So we count the zip ties that we need to do the install.
No kidding.
And then we package that in the kit.
Isn't that something? Yeah, I mean, I didn't know that going into this, guys. These questions I'm just coming up off the top of my head. But this is an awesome setup. We're going to see the other two. Stay tuned on our YouTube channel for those. We'll probably go ahead and get you a link from this video to see the other ones. But again, if you go on our website, you type in your Tacoma year, make, model, you will see this kit available to you. It is a great solution, not a good solution, a great solution for somebody that wants to make it just, and a part of my words here, but just make it dummy proof. I mean, at the end of the day, you're going to get a system that you can do and you can get great sound out of it. It's where we're going as an industry. I'm so happy that Metra's leading it and just doing such a great job getting involved in the audio side, not just the accessory side. So kudos to you guys, Jason. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thanks for coming.
Absolutely.